Well, welcome to the video for our fourth week, which is the week of January 25th. And so we are watching the Watch This First video, where it gives us our agenda, our objectives, and the important information for this week. Notice that this week is going to start with our weekly review, in which you will watch a video. That video is right here, called the week 4 review video. And notice that our objective for this is to review the last 2 weeks, to make sure that we understand that substitution and graphing, that we are actually finding the same results, just by a different method. And so we want to make sure that we really understand those 2 methods before we move into our third method this week. So there'll just be a couple of practice problems. You'll just need some blank paper and some graph paper. Remember, there's graph paper in the back of your workbook. And then you're going to complete this assignment right here that is called the week 4 review. Okay, keep in mind that this is due, it's assigned on Monday, due the following Monday, which would be February 1st, and that is at 9 a.m. So after you go ahead and you do that review, then what you're going to do is move on to the new material for the week, and that is what we see right here in the video and notes. And yes, you will need your algebra notebook for this week. There are 3 pages, 3 videos that you'll go through. The first one here will talk about elimination, the new method that is going to be our objective for this particular lesson. And then we're going to talk about using elimination with those special cases like no solution and infinitely many solution. That's going to be the first part of page 11. And then page 11 and page 12, you're going to look at some application problems. How can you use elimination and systems to solve some word problems? And after you go through that, then the next thing is our formative assessments. Remember, these are where we practice. It's like homework, it's classwork, it's a time to really make sure that you understand the material. And there are 2 of those, formative assessment for systems number 6 and formative assessment for systems number 7. Notice that both of them are due Monday, February 1st at 9 a.m. Once again, assigned on a Monday, due on a Monday. Now, this page right here, both the video and notes, and as well as the formative assessments. This is where you really need to be an active participant. You cannot just watch the videos and think that we're going to just be able to absorb how to do these problems and then they're going to be easy to do. We can't just photo math or phone a friend with our formative assessments and then think that we're going to do okay on the summative assessment. So this was really where you need to do your learning. And if you're not understanding, that's where you need to write down the problem number or, the video, what problem on the video it was, and you need to come to a Zoom session and get some help. Notice that we have Zoom sessions on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, all of them at noon. You just need to come with your question. If you don't feel comfortable talking, Canvas message me your question ahead of time, or when you get there, type it into the chat. Very low stress, I'll just work through it, make sure that you have an understanding of it. Sometimes we work some of the extra problems that are in our notebook that we don't use on the videos, but you shouldn't feel that you don't understand how to do something, okay? So please make sure that you're attending those Zoom sessions if you need them. After you have done the videos and the formative assessments and you've got your questions answered in the Zoom session, then this is where you take your summative test. Not until you have done all that other stuff, because this is like a testing class. You get 1 attempt at it. It's not multiple attempts. You can't retry and take the highest score. Okay, so this is definitely the thing that you want to do last. And it is due once again February 1st, which is a Monday, assigned on a Monday, due on a Monday at 9 a.m. If you have any questions, please Canvas message me.